In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay ChinaBank credit card bills using GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident settling your credit card dues right from your phone, quickly and securely. Before we start, make sure your GCash app is updated, your internet connection is stable, and you have enough balance in your wallet to cover the payment and any possible convenience fees. Have your ChinaBank credit card number and the exact cardholder name ready. For your security, never share your MPIN or full card details with anyone. First, open GCash. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a grid of services. From there, tap Bills. This is where GCash organizes payments for utilities, government services, loans, and, in our case, credit cards. Next, tap the credit cards category. This filters the list so you'll only see supported credit card billers. The list can be long, so take a moment to look through it carefully. Now, scroll down and tap ChinaBank Credit Card. Make sure you're selecting the option specifically labeled for ChinaBank credit cards to avoid misdirected payments. If the logo or name looks similar to another service, read it closely and proceed only when you're sure. On the payment screen, enter the amount you want to pay. This could be the minimum due, the statement balance, or any amount you choose to pay. Double-check that the amount matches what you intend to settle and that your wallet balance is sufficient. Next, enter your credit card number and the cardholder name. Type the full card number exactly as it appears on your card and enter the cardholder name the same way it appears on the card or on your statement. Avoid extra spaces or stray characters. Once everything is filled in, tap Next. You'll now see a summary page. This is your chance to double-check all the details: the biller name, the amount, the card number's last few digits, and the cardholder name. Make sure there are no typos or missing digits. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm to proceed. After confirming, GCash will process your payment. You should see a confirmation message along with a reference number. Keep that reference for your records in case you need to follow up. Posting time can vary, so allow some time for the payment to reflect on your ChinaBank credit card account. And that's it. You've just paid your ChinaBank credit card bill using GCash for GCash safely and conveniently from your phone.